Hey guys, it's me again with your friend the microbit. Now this is the side with all the LEDs. Let's turn it around to the other side and give it a little more of a look. So we have up here a couple labels on it, and down here we have some additional labels. For example, processor, compass, accelerometer, and pins. Now pins refers to these down here where you can use banana alligator clips in order to hook the microbit into other circuits and expand this quite a little bit. There's also an opportunity to actually place the microbit into daughter boards that allow you to use it with like already designed other devices, for example like a robot arm or a robot movable platform like we had last summer where we had a little robot pair, had little autonomous cars fighting each other. Now with this here, we will use the compass and the accelerometer in our exercises this week. Now, the interesting thing is, if you think about what does a compass measure, it measures the magnetic field and how the microbit is oriented towards the magnetic field. So that's one thing. The other thing is to think about the accelerometer that is built into this. And you could think of an accelerometer as a device that measures gravity forces in a three-dimensional way. So there's an X, there's a Y, and then there's a Z. And the microbit then, depending on how you tilt it, move it around, will experience forces in different directions. And the sensor that is already built into the microbit allows you to actually get values for these different forces pulling at the microbit. Now, you could utilize the microbit as a tiny little game controller that way. Has two buttons, right? One for fire, one for secondary weapons. So it's actually quite versatile. And using the Bluetooth built-in radio is something that we will try this week as well. One of the problems with that is that I hope, fingers crossed, that everything works well with you guys' Chromebooks. Things work well with my laptop here that I'm running a version of Chrome OS on in order to test this. But again, fingers crossed, and hopefully we'll have some fun with the microbit and its built-in sensors. Okay, so we'll have a look at how these things operate in a little bit.